Hello everyone, myself Tamal Mathani. From today we are going to start one new series of 40 days, 40 LeetCode questions. Today is day one. Let us begin this series with the question number 48, which is rotate image. Let us first explain the description of the question, intuitive and approach, and then we will write the code. Let us begin to start with the question. We are given a 2D matrix as per the starting of the line. We are given an anchor and 2D matrix and we have to rotate the image by 90 degrees. I will later on explain you what does this mean by rotate the image by 90 degrees. First of all, let us complete the below description. We do not have to create in place. We do not have to create another 2D matrix. We have to modify the in place. This line means that we do not are allowed to create a new resultant array or any other array. We have to do everything within this matrix given array. So let us first analyze this image. What does this image mean by rotating the image by 90 degrees? Here, as you can see, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 rows, 3 columns, and cross and matrix is given. As per the observation, I can see that this 1, 2, 3, row number 1 is converted into the column number 3. This one is converted into this. 4, 5, 6 is converted into this. And 7, 8, 9 is converted into this. Means row is becoming column but in the reverse form. So when the row is become the column, this is called the transpose of the matrix. So let me explain what does the transpose of the matrix looks like. Here there is an image of transpose of the matrix. Here as you can see that the 2, 4, minus 1, minus 10, 5, 11, 18, minus 7 and 6. So the transpose of this matrix is converting this row into column. So 2, 4, minus 1 is converted into 2, 4, minus 1 and 5, 11 into 10, 5, 11 and 18 minus 7, 6 to 18 minus 7, 6. So as you can see that this row is converted into column, the row converted into column and row into column. This is called the transpose of the matrix. First of all, let us write the code for transpose of the matrix. Here we will take a for loop for iterating to the matrix given matrix. Another for loop for inner part of the matrix. We will start the nested loop with the j. J is equal to I. I will later on explain why have we taken the j is equal to I. And we are going to swap the indexes of matrix of I and matrix of J with the matrix of J and I. So till now the transpose of the matrix has been done. So let me explain why we have taken the J is equal to I. As you can see here the indexes of this is 0 0. The indexes of 2 is 0 0. After the transpose it has become 0 0. So let me explain with this image only. First of all, let us explain this image. So here the coordinates of this 4 is 0 comma 1 and after the transpose it become 1 comma 0. So as you can see that the 0 comma 1 as it inverts 1 comma 0 minus 1 has become 0 comma 3 0 comma 3 has become 1 comma 3. So that's for that. 1 comma 0 has become 0 comma 1. As for that, all the images are rotating. So for that, we are starting the another nested loop with the I. So now we have to reverse the row because till now we have reached this point, but we do not want that. We want the rotation of that particular row also. Means rotating the image 90 degrees. So for that we have to reverse this row. For example, 2, 10, minus 10 and 18 will become 18 minus 10 and these two will go at the end. So let me do that also. Uh, for which we are taking the for loop I greater than matrix dot size I plus plus. As we can know that there is one for reversing the particular row or any string or any number. We have one inbuilt function of the C++ which is reverse, and we have to give the two arguments from which value we have to begin and from which value we have to end the reverse process. So we have to reverse the matrix of I dot begin till the matrix of I of end. And the data type of this function is void, so we do not have to data analysis. It will check according to itself. So as we can see that most the test case has been passed. So now let's submit this question. As we can see, this has been successfully submitted.